Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying essentials and initiating the first backup. Make sure your Android phone is signed into the Google account you want to use. This links WhatsApp to Drive. Once done, open WhatsApp, tap Settings, then Chats and Chat Backup. This is where you control the whole process. Select a backup frequency and the Google account target, and decide whether to include videos. That increases size. Tap Backup Now to start the initial transfer to Drive and watch progress. Once the first backup completes, refine settings so future saves happen reliably. Choose a frequency that balances convenience and storage. Daily is safest, weekly saves space. Make sure you select Wi-Fi only if you want to avoid mobile data costs and fewer interrupted backups. For security, enable end-to-end encrypted backups. You'll create a password or 64-digit key. This protects messages, but you must keep that key or you cannot restore. These steps reduce failure risk and explain why each option matters. Finally, here's how to complete a restore and fix common issues. When reinstalling WhatsApp, use the same phone number and Google account. Then follow the on-screen restore prompt to pull messages from Drive. If WhatsApp can't find a backup, make sure Drive has enough free space, account sync is enabled, and you're on a stable connection. If problems persist, clear Google Play Services cache, re-add the Google account in phone settings, and retry. That usually restores permissions and resolves upload or restore failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.